Hello, hello to everyone. Welcome to my live program. This is Regine's Lines and Strokes. This is 106.7 MRS FM. This is DJ Reg on board. Today, people, is the 27th day of August of the year 2024. Time check right now is 21:41 or 21:41. That is 9:42 in the evening. Yeah. I really don't know why I'm attracting things that are not. Maybe the reason why it happened, it's because my energy is changing. And I don't need that kind of person in my life, all right? So subconsciously, it was a total reject, and it won't help me in my future. It has something to do with my growth. So I totally understand and accept that fact that that person is not meant for me. Yeah, I know from the beginning, ever since from the beginning, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, okay? I'm a very busy person. I'm an online English teacher. I teach 2 shifts. On my daytime, I teach Chinese students English and Spanish. And then I have a graveyard shift from 12:30 down to 4:30 in the morning. Whether there's a student or not, I still need to show myself, all right, on the class portal. I teach Turkish students, all right, on my graveyard. I also do live programs on Facebook, Popo, here on TikTok, and on Bigo. So I have different platforms. I'm a very busy person, and I also have a YouTube channel. So whatever is that I'm recording here on my live, I just grab the song that I recorded here, and then I move it to my YouTube channel. So that's what I do. All right. Oh, by the way, here on TikTok, I just noticed that there are filters here. Okay, so if I am going to check this button over here, enhance, there are different effects. Okay, it is really, really funny that they have this kind of filter. All right, like this one here. Oh, look, oh, my face turned red, and this one here is too pinkish. Oh my gosh. And then this one has a background. All right. Yeah, there's too much effects here that can fake people, but I'm not fake. I don't use filter people, okay? So I'm gonna use the slash button off, all right? No filter. I'm real. I'm not fake. I'm not like others who use filters, okay? This is my real face, guys, okay? All right? Yeah, right. Yeah. So there are lots of... Unfortunately, I have the misfortune of meeting a lot of fake people here. They use fake pictures, fake videos, fake everything. Okay, so I would like to advise everybody to please be very, very careful in meeting people here on social media. Still different to meet a real person. Okay, as someone who has a face to show, all right, and not talking to a picture or someone can't even talk to you on the phone. What is chatting? There's no sincerity there, okay? It's not a genuine thing to do. Okay, so my first recording was not good, so I'm gonna make a recording again. Anyways, mega love shout out to all the people around the world, all right? My name's Regine Salas. This is DJ Reg on board. Mega love shout out to everyone. Time check is now 9:49 in the evening. All right, so for tonight, I am going to try to record this again because the first recording I made was an epic fail because of the blower from the fan. And I'm so sorry about that. So this is a relive. All right, just need to eat my dinner. So I exit a while ago. All right, so let me pull this out. This is an OPM by Sharon Cuneta. Here's Tawag ng Pag-ibig para sa mga taksil, okay? For those who, yeah, just playing around, okay? Here's a song for you people. Tawag ng pag-ibig kay gulo sa isip, iniwan ang nag-iisa ng aking sinta. Ngunit di ko nalaman ang tanging dahilan. Tawag ng pag-ibig kay sakit mawagli,